Hi, welcome to my workshop. My name's Darren, and believe it or not, my most used Ryobi tool of all isn't actually my brad nailer. That's my most used 1+ tool, or my most used workshop Ryobi tool. But in general, this is my most used Ryobi tool, R4 SDP, battery operated screwdriver. Let's have a closer look at it. Unlike my other Ryobi battery tools, it doesn't take a 1+ 18 volt battery like this, but instead has its own internal 4 volt battery. So being a little 4 volt battery, this isn't a drill, this is just a screwdriver, just a handheld screwdriver. But oh my God, if you have to screw in or screw out a lot of screws in a period of a day, this thing is a godsend, and has definitely saved me from reigniting my tennis elbow on more than one occasion. So it's quite simple really. At this end we've got a little charging hole that takes a plug-in charger similar to an old-fashioned cell phone. Not your modern cell phone with a nice USB, but this has got one of those little round pin plugs. Okay, coming across to here, we've got a nice handle with a bit of grip on it, and that's good. A good amount of grip on there, and our on-off trigger, for want of a better word. Up the top here we've got 2 speeds, speed 2, speed 1, and this is our little release mechanism, because we can make it do that if that's easier for us to hold, and in some positions it certainly is, especially in tight areas where you haven't got the room behind you for the full length of the handle. Being able to do that's quite handy. And there's one more little switch which is on the back of the handle over here, and that's your forward and reverse, so for putting your screws in and taking them out. It comes in a little kit, like I say, with a charger and a stack of these style little bits about that size. This is the little storage bag that comes with the screwdriver, and here we have the charger, and as you can see it's just a old style charger, 4 volt. Now keep in mind this is only a little 4 volt motor with a little 4 volt battery, and it's really designed for just screwing and unscrewing. It's not a drill. But let's try driving some screws straight into pine without a pilot hole and see how it stands up. Yep, no problem there. And with this one, I haven't just charged it, I just brought it home from work just to show it to you. I only have to charge this thing about once every 2 weeks, and I do use it every day. The amount of use per day varies, but still 2 weeks is pretty darn good. I don't know how many screws you want me to drive into this to prove a point. I'm not really trying to prove anything. I'm just trying to show you that if you're using a manual screwdriver a lot, or trying to fit a big battery drill in, do a lot of your screwing during the day, maybe this is a better option, because it's lighter, easier to use, cheaper, more comfortable, and gets the job done. Like so. I very nearly didn't do a video on this because I didn't think there'd be much to show you, and there isn't really, it's more just to quickly tell you. But if you're driving screws like this all day, maybe that's the right way to go, but maybe that's going to be a lot easier and lighter. And if you're driving screws like this all day and you're getting pains here or here, maybe this is the go. Alright, anyway, I leave it to your better judgment. You know what you need better than I do. Have a great day. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.